There's something magnetic about the Honda Shadow 750. It's not the flashiest bike on the road, nor does it boast cutting-edge tech. Instead, it's a timeless cruiser that blends classic style with modern dependability. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's all about relaxed riding and effortless charm, the Shadow 750 might just be your perfect companion. The Honda Shadow 750 is a cruiser that wears its heritage with pride. With sweeping lines, chrome detailing, and a classic stance, it captures the spirit of traditional American cruisers while staying true to Honda's philosophy of reliability and refinement. The wide handlebars, low-slung seat, and fat fenders immediately give it a bold and timeless silhouette. Whether parked or in motion, the Shadow 750 demands respect through its effortless cool, not flashy drama. Powering the Shadow is a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that's been tuned for torque rather than top-end speed. This means instant pull when you twist the throttle, especially in the lower rev range. It's the kind of power delivery that makes city cruising feel easy and highway rides smooth and confident. With fuel injection replacing carburetors in recent models, the throttle response is crisp, and cold starts are a breeze, even on chilly mornings. One of the standout mechanical features of the Shadow 750 is its shaft drive. Unlike traditional chains that require regular cleaning and adjustment, the shaft drive offers a quieter, cleaner, and virtually maintenance-free experience. This system is built for long-term ownership, reducing the worry of roadside chain issues and letting riders focus purely on the journey. It's a practical touch that adds to the Shadow's long-distance capability. The ergonomics of the bike are designed for comfort. The plush, wide seat puts the rider in a relaxed upright position, while forward-set foot pegs offer a stretched-out, cruiser-style stance. The suspension setup, with a front telescopic fork and dual rear shocks, is soft and tuned for absorbing road imperfections. Whether riding solo or with a passenger, the Shadow 750 provides a smooth, easygoing ride that never feels rushed or fatiguing. In terms of handling, the Shadow is surprisingly nimble for its size. Its low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution give it excellent stability, even at slow speeds. Cornering isn't sharp or aggressive, but it's steady and predictable, exactly what most cruiser riders are looking for. Braking is handled by a single disc up front and a drum brake at the rear, a classic setup that works well with the bike's laid-back dynamics. What truly makes the Honda Shadow 750 special is its balance. It's a bike that's easy to ride, easy to maintain, and effortlessly stylish. It doesn't try to outshine bigger cruisers or compete with sportier machines. It simply offers a pure, relaxed riding experience that stands the test of time. For riders seeking a dependable and soulful cruiser without unnecessary complications, the Shadow 750 is still one of the smartest choices on two wheels.